Hi everyone, my name is Dina. I am 7 years old. Today I present a story. The title is A Kitten and a Cat That Went Fishing. The Kitten and a Cat That Went Fishing trip. While fishing, the kitten saw a the dragonfly and chased it. He come back without dragonfly. After a while, the kitten saw a butterfly and chased it. He come back without butterfly. The kitten was very sad. Meanwhile, the cat caught a big fish. The cat said to the kitten, if you sit down and focus, I'm sure you can catch a fish. The kitten listened and focused and went fishing. Moral Soon he can catch a fish too. Moral of the story, if you focus, you can do well. Thank you.
Thank you.